Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning everyone. How are you today? Before I proceed my task today, I would like to introduce myself as you don't really know who am I. My name is Nurul Nadira binti Muhammad Zakbar from SKS Tipawi. My school code is ABB 2098. My free time activity is reading storybook and playing video game. I would like to be a doctor and feature as it with my interest and today's task. On this wonderful morning, I'm going to talk about an interesting storybook. It's my favorite storybook. Title was Self-Confidence. The author of this book is one of the famous person in education field. This book published by Pustaka Dasar Jaya first edition in 2011. This book story about Charles was a manager that inherited from his family. They manufacture goods from the factory for quality products. So he had many customers. He had received many orders and the schedule were fixed. Unfortunately, war broke out in the country and all manufacturing materials could not be sent to his factory. They sued him of breaching the agreements. Charles could not fulfill the agreement he had signed with his customers. Unfortunately, finally, he had no other alternative but to declare bankruptcy. He was very sad. He could not forgive himself. Accidentally, in one occasion, he read a book which title was Self-Confidence, and he fully agreed with the views of the author. After reading the book, he felt that the contents of the book gave him courage and hope. So he felt that there was still bright future for him. So he met the author of the book. The author suggested that he look at himself in the mirror. A few days later, you will be your original self. Only you can help yourself. A few days later, the author met Charles again, and he looked so fresh and properly attired. Her self-confidence was come back, and he have a job now. Without self-confidence is essential to be for a man to be successful. Without self-confidence is just like a man without his life. Value from this story is: first, Charles still finding ways to overcome his depression and his problem. Second, always reassess yourself to look for your strength and weakness. Third, believe in yourself and know about yourself. Fourth, don't ever lose your self-confidence. The great thing about this book is that the style of presentation used is easy to understand. Inside there is the meaning of new words in each page. I like to invite my friend to read this book and all the library selection series because they provide the series motivate and nurture by inculcating moral values in them. The illustration and the pictures are colorful, making readers feel fresh, enjoyable and keen in reading the stories. Thank you.